Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are making money as usual. So last month I made a video. I told you guys that I'm going to give 3 free accounts to 3 lucky winners in partnership with propfirm match and funded trading plus. And finally they have chosen the winners and they have sent them emails. So make sure you check your inbox. As well as your spam folders to make sure if you are the winner, so you can claim your free account. And if you did receive your free account, make sure you DM me on Instagram and thank me for giving you the opportunity to win a free account. So in today's video, I'm going to be claiming my free 25k here, and if I see a setup, I'm going to trade it, and you guys will see exactly how I trade if I see a setup. Here I think I'll just go for two-step evaluation. They have a lot of program type. I don't even know what they actually do, but I'll just go for the two-step prestige 25k. So I'm gonna click on start, and then the platform they have master, premium. I don't really know what are all of those programs. They have to make things easy for someone, but they don't have MetaTrader and CTrader. I have to pay $25 more, so I think I'll just go for Match Trader. I don't know. Let me just go for Match Trader. Okay, so let me check it out, and let's see. So at the checkout here, I can enter a coupon code. So the coupon code, I can just copy this coupon here, right, Control C, and it worked. So the coupon code worked. I have crazy. So you can see that I'm paying $0 for the account. Okay, confirm, agree, place order. Let's see. Thank you, your order has been received. Yoo-hoo! So I got the account, no fee at all. Crazy. Hopefully, yeah, success. So now I'm logged into my account, and this is the account I have here. Did I have an account with them before? I'm pretty confused right now. Okay, so I have my 25k here, but one thing I don't get it is, did I have an account with them before? What? So I bought an account with them in 2023 and I lost it. To be honest, I don't even remember. I bought an account with Funding Trading Plus in 2023. But anyway, I just got my account here. So let me come here really quick. This is gold. This thing been pumping all day. I've been looking for sales, but this thing keep like going higher and higher and higher. So let me see if there's a reason for me to be looking for sales. If there is, then I'll be selling, but if there's no reason, then I'll just have to like wait for tomorrow to see if I can have like a setup or something. So this thing is massively pumping crazy, but when you look at the market structure, I think it makes sense, because you can see this pullback, and then you see there, and I go to something like the 15-minute. We can see that on the 15-minute we are actually inside of a 15-minute. Despite this thing is pretty much inside of a POI, it doesn't show any sign of going down. And with all this happening in the world, with Donald Trump, tariff, blah blah blah, uncertainty in the market, so probably I may not get a setup today. So if I do get any setup, and I do take any setup on this account, probably I want to make a video for you guys. Doesn't matter if it's a win or a loss, but yeah, if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe, and I'll always give you guys more free account if I get the opportunity to give it to you guys, because all I want you guys to succeed in your trading journey. So anything I can do to help you, I'm gonna do it. If you want to join my mentorship, if you want to know how I trade as well, you can also pay for the mentorship, link below this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.